Welcome to the day 7 of the Prana and the Pranayama yoga series. Today's practice is one that is going to bring that inner peace, that calmness, and it's going to activate that parasympathetic nervous system and just make you feel very light and relaxed. So let's get into something comfortable and let's get started. Let's sit in a comfortable seated position, Sukhasan, Padmasan. You can either be seated on a chair, sofa, keep the spine straight, chest open, shoulders relaxed. You can bring the palms in front of the heart for a prayer. You can listen or chant along if you know. Take a breath in. Pranasyedam vashe sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam Mateva putrani rakshasva Shriishcha prajñamscha videhina iti. Praying to that prana to lead us to wisdom and to true wealth. Feeling reverence and honor for the prana shakti within. Taking your own time, you may gently open your eyes. Today is the day 7, the last day of our series, and we thought we'll start with a sutra from the Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Tatah Kshiyate Prakasha Varanam. So when we do pranayamas, what is the effect of the pranayamas? It is said that it takes out that outer covering that is covering our inner light and helps us go within and know our true nature. We'll start with the Kaki Mudra today. We'll be making our mouth in the form of a crow's beak, so just like this. So making an O opening with the mouth, and we'll be taking breath in through the mouth and out through the nose. If you're in a very polluted place or you're in a cold climate, you can skip this one, not breathing in through the mouth. You can continue to deep breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. So let's get started. Inhaling through the mouth, exhaling through the nose. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Continue. You can close your eyes in case they are open. After completing this one, relax. And taking your own time, you can open your eyes. This is really good to calm down the body. Now we'll be using the same mudra for the lips, but we will be inhaling through the nose and we'll be exhaling through the mouth. So when we exhale through the mouth, that brings a lot of relaxation in the body, and if the exhalation is a little longer than the inhalation, it brings a lot of relaxation in the body. So especially in cases of anxiety or in cases of hypertension, and even if you're not able to sleep properly at night, inhalation is normal, exhalation is longer. So that will bring about more relaxation, that activates the rest and digest system in the body, which is the parasympathetic nervous system. So we'll be inhaling through the nose and slowly exhaling through the mouth. Once all the air is out, inhale again. Exhale. You can close your eyes in case they are not and continue. After completing this round, relax, breathing in normally through the nose and breathing out normally. Taking your own time, you may gently open your eyes. Anytime you're feeling angry or any anxiety, you can do this one. This will bring you back to your normal state after a few breaths. Next, we'll be doing the Brahmari. We'll be doing it a little bit differently today. So what we are going to do is we'll inhale in Ujjai, slightly constricting the throat, and exhaling with the mm sound like we've been doing in Brahmari. So the inhalation is again shorter, the exhalation is longer. So it's almost, you can take it 1:2 ratio. If you're inhaling for a count of 3, you can exhale for a count of 6 or even more in Brahmari. Today we'll be doing it just with the hands open. We'll not be closing our ears. So inhale in Ujjai, exhale in Brahmari. Inhale in Ujjai, exhale in Brahmari. Continuing, inhaling in Ujjai, constricting the throat a little bit as if a baby was snoring. You'll be able to hear that voice with the inhalation, and exhaling Brahmari. After completing this round, you may relax. Next, we'll be doing the last one for the day. So this is how the Brahmari has been described in the scriptures. When you take the breath in, there also you make the humming sound, but that's like that of a male bee. And when it's an exhalation, it's that of a female bee. The male bee has a higher pitch than the female when it comes to the sound. So if you can try this out, if this does not work for you, you can do inhaling Ujjai and exhaling in the sound. But if possible, you can do this one as well. So as you inhale, again there'll be a sound like this. It might be a little difficult to make the sound with the inhalation. You can do the best that's possible for you today. We'll be doing 5 rounds, and this time we'll be taking our index finger or middle finger and we'll be putting it on the flap of the ear. You can count 5 on your own because you'll not be able to hear once your flaps close. So you can close the eyes, spine straight, closing the flap, inhaling in Brahmari and exhaling in Brahmari. Relax the palms. If you feel like sitting for a few moments and continuing, you may do so. Or you can take your hands, bring it in front of the heart. We'll chant Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feeling grateful for the prana, praying for peace everywhere. Inhale. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. With a smile, take a deep breath in, and with a bigger smile, exhale. Just like a fish in water, we are floating in an ocean of prana, feeling grateful for that prana shakti. I'm feeling grateful for these 7 days that we have honored the prana. Take one more breath in and breathe out. You can gently place your hands on your face, and with a few blinks, you may open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's practice and hope you liked the 7 days. Let us know how these 7 days have been for you. We would love to hear. Thank you so much for joining us for these practices. We are very grateful to have you join us every day. And we'll keep seeing you on the mat for more yoga and pranayama. Thank you very much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.